Day 307 of the Book of Mysteries, The Children of the Eighth Day. It was a warm, breezy morning. We were sitting on the side of one of the hills that overlooked the school. "I believe I made a discovery," I said. "I'd love to hear it," said the teacher. Shemoneh Atzeret is the eighth day, but there's another eighth day. "And what day is that?" "The resurrection," I said. "The day of the resurrection. The resurrection happened on the first day of the week. Therefore, it was the eighth day." "It was the eighth day. So what does that mean?" "The eighth day is about leaving the old creation." "Yes, and the resurrection is also about leaving the old life." "The eighth day," I said, "is the day of transcending, of breaking out of the limitations of the finite and into the realm of the infinite. And the resurrection is also the day of transcending the old, overcoming the ultimate limitation, death, and thus every limitation. And the eighth day is the day after the end. As is the resurrection, the day after the end of the old life, the old existence, the power to live beyond it. So the 2 days," I said, "the day of the resurrection and the day of eternity are joined together." "And on what Hebrew holy day was the resurrection?" he asked. "The day of the first fruits." "Yes," said the teacher. "The resurrection is the first fruits of the age to come, the first manifestation of the eighth day, heaven. And when in the week do most of the Messiah's people get together, or gather?" "On the first day," which means they gather on the eighth day. They gather on the eighth day because they are the eighth day. They are of the eighth day. For all who are the Messiah are given the power of the eighth day, the power to leave the old life, transcend this creation, overcome limitations, live after the end and in the realm of the heavenly. So do not be bound by this age, live beyond it. For we are not of this world, we are children of the eighth day. The mission: learn the secret of living in the eighth day, beyond the flesh, beyond the world, beyond the self, beyond the old, and beyond the new. John 21, Acts 27, Romans 6, 5-11, 12, 12, 12, 2, and 1 John 4, 4. Thank you.